Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be traveling to the second largest city in Sweden, Gothenburg, to pick up the newly bought car. So it's gonna be exciting, and yeah, that's this video is gonna be about. Let's go. This is obviously a new train, high-speed train. Just gonna have my coffee a little bit. Somebody was watching because I filmed in the toilet. So this is the toilet. Well, I'm not sure where the cafeteria is. That's what I'm looking for. There you go. Here's the cafeteria. So here you can buy on the train some food and coffee as well. So you have this corner. You can even stand up here and then have some coffee. So I didn't have to shop the coffee earlier because here like a lot of good things are available, even some alcohol and gas, some beer. So it's the best to take the breakfast on the train. So it's the whole compartment they have. Let's see what they have for breakfast. Some fruit juice, yogurt, and they even have the lunch boxes. Typical Swedish lunch, and the soda and etc. So that's it. That's for the cafeteria. I'm gonna go back to my apartment. It was really cozy. So if I knew it earlier, I would definitely go and just sit in the apartment. Pretty modern. So what happened? What happened?
So lemon cold, the glass.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, and they have ordered the wrong glass. So they have the glass should be 10 millimeter.
What is wrong with us today? So it seems I have to rebook what I have said in the beginning of this video that we're gonna pick up the car. We're not picking up the car. This is just gonna be the Gothenburg trip because the car company, they lost the key, so we cannot pick it up today. Instead, they're gonna cover our travel cost. So it will just all be about traveling to Gothenburg.
That's actually quite funny too.
Yeah, it's also another story happened earlier conversation. If you heard what Matthias was talking about in Swedish, it's about we're also planning to install the glass balcony. So what happened was just right after this car company called that we cannot pick up the car today because they lost the key, and like I think 1 minute later, just 1 minute, right after 1 minute of the car company calling that they lost the key, this glass door balcony company also called us as that they ordered the wrong glass. So it's supposed to be 10 millimeter that they ordered, but they ordered 8 millimeter instead, and they were saying that if we are getting this 8 millimeter glass door, they will discount us for 25%. But it's just quite weird what happened to us this morning. Like it's like everything is gonna be refunded, and like those companies did something wrong, and it's just like a weird coincidence. It's like extremely weird. I thought when I saw the call and then it was a car company, they found the car key, but no, it's just from the glass door company. Super weird.
We are soon arriving at Gothenburg Central Station, and this is the last stop for this service.
So we just arrived in Gothenburg. No plan, nothing to do. Arrived in Gothenburg
For no reason.
for no reason. I don't want to say it as a tough luck because it's not, and we're gonna be refunded for this trip from this car company, car agency, because we are not gonna get the car. They lost the key, as I said earlier. Now we have 3 hours to go until the check-in time. Some bakery near the train station, in the train station. Cool. Done with the lunch, and now we're gonna take bus to the hotel. It's like spring, yeah. What is the temperature? It's probably plus degree. Yeah, it's quite nice. Yes, a lot of information here. Yes, Matthias knows. Accepting your card. Two star. Oh, such a beautiful day.
It's actually quite interesting. That's this tower was finished at this year, and it's the highest building in Scandinavia.
Wow, what is it called?
Karlatornet.
Karla Tornet.
Karla Tower.
Karla Tower. We are actually pretty early because hotel check-in time is at 3 and now it's only 12:30. So it's almost 3 hours away from the check-in time, but we have nothing else to do. No car to pick up. So I was still hoping they're gonna call us and, oh, we found the key. But seems like we're gonna have to order the new key. So it's not gonna happen today. So we were just stuck in the hotel lobby. Hopefully, if we're lucky, we'll be able to check in early. I don't know what that is doing here. You can go in and trap in it. What is this big building? Is it our hotel? We're here. Pretty cool. One lucky out of two unlucky incidents. We could check in early. Oh my god. Look at this height. Don't drop my camera, please. Thank you. Let's do a room tour quickly. We have this bed as basic and this abstract painting, which I don't understand. Little table, chair. Here you can walk if you want. TV. I'm not sure if it is a smart TV. I think it is. They have Netflix. It's a sea view. Nice not to do anything here in Gothenburg. No purpose. Just staying here. Not doing, but being. That's our plan for our stay in Gothenburg this time. Right? We're gonna be. We're gonna be completely spiritual. We're not completely spiritual. We're gonna go eat hot pot and go excited and greedy and hungry. So yeah, this is our story. Oh, we have wine?
No, it's not included.
Oh,
It's part of.
well,
This one is 300.
no, we're not doing that.
Pretty pricey.
I mean, if we got our car, I will want to celebrate it. But now, not in the mood.
Now it is normal.
Now it's just normal day. Nothing to celebrate. And this is the toilet. hair dryer in here. Pretty basic, but I think this is big toilet. I think we'll go sauna. I don't know how to call this trip. We don't have the name for this trip. Trip for nothing. That's the name. Okay, we're gonna have a rest and we'll meet you at the sauna time. We're gonna do sauna.
Okay.
We have changing room here. And where is the QS sauna?
It's over there.
Oh, it's over there. So I don't think I'm allowed to film in there. So bye. We're now at my favorite hot pot place in Gothenburg and about to get some ingredients for the soup. I've got citron pepper spicy soup. So that's for the dinner. It's a little bit difficult to take with the camera. But anyway, this is what they have. And a lot of vegetables, options. It's good for vegetarian and a lot of salad, bar. Yeah, that's it. I'm a little bit blind now because I didn't bring my contact. Here are the meat section for meat eaters. These are the fake meat. Real shrimp. Wow, I'm gonna get this. We have beef option, and these are the sauces, and some egg if you want, and some drink, coffee, even cake, some crackers over there, mushroom, pretty much. Here's our hot pot. Okay, that's pretty much about this vlog, and thanks for watching till the end. For this failure trip to Gothenburg, we couldn't pick up the car, but at least we can enjoy the hot pot as our dinner. This is the best place. This is not sponsored by this hot pot place, but Double Garden. Come here when you are visiting Gothenburg. Thanks for watching till the end, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hopefully next time I will be able to vlog about our road trip with the new car. Bye.